welcome to Watergate Bay here in Newquay in Cornwall. It is a super sunny January day, hence the rather ridiculous combo of bubble hat and pink sunglasses. They were the only ones I had with me, so decided to wear them, but they kind of match the coat anyway. I'm here on the beach at Watergate Bay, just having a mooch around really, just really enjoying the fresh air, blowing away the cobwebs after Christmas, and just soaking up the atmosphere. It's just beautiful here. There's loads of families out, there's loads of dog walkers. It's just the ideal place to come after Christmas. So I'm just going to let you enjoy a little bit of the beach, and then we'll come back and have another little chat. Just walking along the sea now, so getting a bit closer. I don't know if you can see it. I haven't my selfie stick with me today, so just using the camera in my hand and use the Gopro as well. I usually use the phone. Give it the Gopro for airing today, so I hope you're enjoying it anyway. There ahead of us is the amazing Watergate Bay Hotel. It's a luxury hotel right here on the beach in Watergate Bay, and one day I'd love to stay there and bring you a video from there, but that might be quite a long time away because it costs quite a lot of money to stay there even in the low season. Watergate Bay is one of my favourite beaches in the Newquay area, but they're all so lovely. I'm going to go across to Fistral later as well, and I'll probably put that on this video. It's absolutely a beautiful day, as I said, for visiting the beach. I thought wellies with me actually, but they're in the hotel room. I would advise though, if you're coming to Watergate Bay for a walk in the winter, then bring some welly boots. Well, I'm going to leave Watergate Bay behind. There's a bus in a few minutes time, and that's going to drop me off in Newquay. And from Newquay I'm going to take a walk through the town centre, see how that's looking in winter, see how much is open, and I'll do that as a separate video. But later in this video I'll see you at Fistral, because I'm going to walk out to Fistral and have a look what it's looking at there. Beautiful surfers paradise of Fistral. Join me there. Thank you. Here is the iconic Headland Hotel. I started my summer video from just in front of that. I'm going to link to that video at the end. One day I'm going to stay here. Beautiful views across the coast there. So the shops at the top of here are not looking very open. Fat Face and the surf shop. And also Rick Stein's looking pretty much closed as well. But down below me the beach bar is really very busy, so I'm going to go and have a look down there. Actually Fat Face is open, it's just using the other entrance to keep warm. I just got myself a Cornish coffee with a view. Look at that view I've got down onto Fistral Beach here. Here's how Fistral Beach was looking just a few months ago in August when I was last here. So yeah, Fistral Beach in the winter is very different to how it looks in the summer. People come surfing here still as well, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful place for a walk. I absolutely love Fistral Beach. I think it's probably my favourite beach in Newquay. Love Watergate Bay where we were earlier as well, and all the other beaches. It's so hard to choose a favourite, but today this is my favourite because look at that sunset behind me. I'm going to show you some more pictures of that in a minute. It's just so lovely here. So many people out enjoying the beach and walking and dog walking and surfing even. There's some surfers just come down here even now as the sun's setting. So yeah, perfect beach for any time of the year. I think one of the main points I want to get across in this video is that Cornwall, and indeed Newquay here, it's not just for summer, it's for the whole year round. It's starting to get a bit nippy now, so I'm going to head back to the hotel. Got rather soggy feet. I'm going to make a video probably about the hotel where I'm staying, just a very short one. I've also got a video to edit of where I stayed in the summer as well, so I'll get that one up soon as well to give you an idea of somewhere to stay in Newquay if you're heading this way. Thanks so much for joining me on the beach here and over in Watergate Bay, and I'll see you in another video soon. Don't forget, I've got loads of videos on the channel from all around the southwest of England, and I do all sorts of different content as well. So if you're interested in visiting the southwest of England or you just enjoy seeing it, then check out my other videos, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.